Hello, Namaste to all. I Sanketa welcome you all to Divine Healing Channel, and today I'm going to do card reading for this whole week, which is from Monday till Sunday. So I'm going to use two card decks, and the first card deck which I'm using is Life Purpose Oracle card deck, and the second one is Everyday Peace card. So I'll start reading cards from the first deck, and the first card is Healer. You have the spiritual gift of healing and a desire to share it with others. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: this card validates what you have always known. You are a healer. While each person possesses this gift, some, like you, have refined and polished their abilities. The divine love and light within every sentient being can be directed and amplified to benefit others, and you have learned how to do so through many lifetimes devoted to healing work. You have been conducting this work for most of your present life, and others are naturally drawn to you for help. You are compassionate, intuitive, and sensitive. For this reason, you can build up confidence in your healing abilities by trusting your feelings and intuitive ideas. You can also feel more self-assured as a healer by taking classes related to your interest, even if they are an eclectic mix of subjects. As a healer, you will need to take exceptional care of yourself emotionally and physically to withstand the intense energetic demand of caring for others. Follow your intuitive guidance as to diet, exercise, and lifestyle, and practice healthy boundaries with other people. Remember that greatest healers know when to take rest and also how to balance giving and receiving. By practicing a healthy lifestyle yourself, you become an inspiring role model and ensure your longevity in the healing profession. Another card. Books. We connect to your life purpose through your involvement with books. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: your love of books drew this card to you. You are able to find something interesting between the covers of most works, and your literature interests are wide and varied. So it's not surprising that your life purpose is centered around the written word. For example, you would do well working at a bookstore, library, publishing house, or magazine, or in the media. You may also be drawn to write a book, which the angel will help you with. You can find answers and direction for your current career path by intuitively selecting books that call to you. Even if the topic seems initially unreality to your past career, trust that there is valuable information within the pages. You are being led along the path of your divine life purpose, one page at a time. Another card. Talk to your angels. Instead of worrying, ask for divine guidance. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: this card serves as a reminder that you can ask your angels for help and guidance in any area of your life, including your career and finances. You most likely drew this card because you have been worrying or complaining lately. The angels teach that worry never improves any situation and may actually worsen things through the law of attraction. Fortunately, you can turn any worry into a prayer. That is, change a low energy worry, for instance, I don't know how I am going to pay my bills, into a positive prayer such as, thank you God for helping provide for my family needs, or please guide my steps so that I can make money in a meaningful ways. Prayers allow God and the angels to intervene in your free will choices. First, they will boost your mood and faith, which will help you feel happier and more peaceful. Then they will lend you aid in miraculous ways, such as giving you intuitive urges to take certain action steps. Together, you and heaven co-create the answers to your prayers. Please always remember that your Creator wants you to be happy, healthy, and safe, just as any loving parent does. You, like everyone, deserve to be helped so that you have the time and energy to devote to your life purpose. Another card. Freedom. You are free to do what you choose. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: this card is a gentle reminder that you are a victim of outside circumstances and that you have choice in everything you do. The angels are helping, shifting you away from complaining that you are a victim of others who control you. Instead, heaven is shining the light upon your wise decision to take responsibility for yourself, your life, and your happiness. As you accept the role you have played in creating your present circumstances, you feel a corresponding sense of relief and freedom. The sight of self-responsibility frightens some initially, as it seems to carry the weight of blame. The angels help you to see that blame is a waste of time because it focuses upon past events. Instead, they empower you to envision a bright today and tomorrow for yourself and your loved ones. You have the right to change your life. You needn't wait for others' permission to take charge of your destiny. Trust your feeling to guide you towards activity and a career that are meaningful and fulfilling in every way. Last but not the least, teaching. You inspire young people to learn. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is you have a gift with children because it's part of your life purpose to help and support them. Young people respond to your genuine nature and they recognize your inner child, which help you relate to and understand them. More than ever before, children need trustworthy and loving adults to act as safer and teachers, and you are drawn to this work. Most likely, your teachings or healing work with children will encompass some aspect of spirituality. For instance, you may incorporate music or personal growth lessons into a traditional classrooms, or you may teach important life skills in other ways. For example, in your role as a sport coach, music instructor, babysitter, or art therapist, or through charity work or running a youth center. In this way, you help children keep their spiritual gifts alive and awaken new interest. If you ask the angels to guide you to the best avenues that will allow you to reach out and teach young people, they will happily help with this very important life purpose. So now I will start reading from the Nether deck, and the first card is driving lesson. It means even when you are driving your car, you can practice, take advantage of that moment to cultivate mindfulness. In fact, you can practice quite well while you are driving a car. Breathe in and breathe out and remain aware of everything that goes on inside you. When, for example, you come to a red light, you look at the red light and you smile. The red light is not your enemy, it is a friend who is helping you come back to yourself. Another card, peace is contagious. It means if you have been able to embrace your in breath and your out breath with tenderness, you know that they in turn embrace your body and your mind. If you have practiced meditation, you have already discovered this. Peace is contagious. Happiness is also contagious. Another card, live vigorously. It means mindfulness practice is not an evasion or an escape. It means entering vigorously into life with the strength generated by the energy of mindfulness. Without this freedom and concentration, there is no happiness. Another card, the one contain all. It means every one of us is a miraculous flower in the garden of humanity. If you look deeply into yourself, you will see that you possess everything. As a poet, Walt Whitman said, I am large, I contain multitudes. If you practice deep looking, you will discover this truth, the mystery of inner being. The one contains all. Another card, being immediately. It means there is a lot that need to be done in society, work against war, social injustice, and so on. But first, we have to come back to our own territory and make sure that peace and harmony are residing there. Until we do that, we cannot do anything for society. Let us begin immediately. What I recommend for all of us is to come back to ourselves and take care of a little boy or a little girl who inhabits the depth of our wounded soul. Then we will be calmer, more understanding and loving, and the environment will begin to change. Other people will benefit from our presence and we will be able to influence them and our society. Last but not the least, a gentle reminder. It means every time the phone rings is an opportunity to practice mindful breathing in and out. The ringing of bell or a phone is a friend and invitation to arrive. If you work on a computer, you might get so carried away by your work that you forgot that you have a body. So you may like to program your phone or your computer so that every quarter of an hour it offers the sound of the bell, reminding you to go back to yourself, to smile and breathe in and out before you continue work. This is a wonderful way to take a break. This was the carding for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you all of you for coming and watching this video. I want to say thanks to all the subscribers, people who are helping me to make this video and people who are inspiring to make this video. Thank you all of you. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel. Take care, live with lots of love, light and angel blessings. Namaste.